Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essential tools and starting immediately. Flashlight, magnifier, thin card, 70% isopropyl and sealable bags. Once done, strip the bed methodically and place linens in bags to avoid spreading. You inspect mattress seams, tufts, and the mattress tag edge because bed bugs hide in tight crevices. Make sure to check under the box spring and along headboard screws. These are common harborage points where you'll find dark spots and tiny shed skins. You now move into the detailed search, focusing on harder-to-see areas and using techniques that expose hidden insects. Once done with the mattress, use a thin card to probe seams, zipper teeth, and tufts. You're looking for live bugs, eggs, or dark fecal spots. Make sure to remove outlet covers and inspect furniture joints, picture frames, and baseboards because bed bugs travel along narrow routes. Take close-up photos to document evidence and mark confirmed hot spots for targeted treatment. You finish by confirming findings and containing spread so you can act decisively. Once you've found a suspect, capture a specimen in a sealed bag and keep photos for identification. This helps you or a pro confirm bed bugs versus other insects. Then vacuum seams and crevices, dispose of vacuum bags immediately, and encase mattress and box spring in certified covers to trap remaining insects. If signs persist after initial steps, contact a pest professional and share your documented hot spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.